Every school has memories worth celebrating. From annual day performances to sports victories, science fairs, classroom moments, and achievements that make your school proud. Besto LMS is that one place where all these memories come together, beautifully organized and easy to share. Welcome to Besto LMS. In this video, we'll walk you through how you can manage your school gallery posts inside Besto LMS. From your left side menu, simply navigate to Gallery. Here, you'll get a clear overview of everything: total posts, pending posts, featured posts, and even how many are public. You can also track useful stats like views, likes, shares, and comments on each post. You can filter posts easily by all posts, pending approval, or approved posts, making navigation fast and efficient. You can switch between grid mode and interactive mode for a more immersive viewing experience. Each post shows important details, upload date, views, likes, shares, and gives you the option to edit or delete it. If a post is still pending, you can approve, feature, or make it public directly from here. Interactive mode also lets you view posts beautifully and share them instantly with everyone. To create a new post, click on Create Post. Enter important details like the title, description, category, and visibility settings. Next, upload the event images and add additional information such as event date, location, and tags. Once everything is ready, click Create Post, and your memory is live in the gallery. From school events and cultural festivals to achievements of students and teachers, special days, announcements, and everyday moments, you can share it all on Besto LMS and preserve your school's journey. And that's how you can manage your school gallery posts in Besto LMS. See you in the next exciting video. Until then, keep learning,